Why is it important for Dreamstime contributors to complete Form W-8BN? Without it, a compulsory 30% tax withholding may be applied to your earnings. However, by submitting the form, you might be eligible for a reduced rate or even 0%, depending on your country's tax treaty with the U.S. Welcome back. In case you're not familiar with Dreamstime is a marketplace where you can sell your content, photos, videos, illustrations, and sounds. If you're curious about becoming a Dreamstime contributor, check out the tutorial on my channel or on the account you're watching now. Now, let's navigate to the tax center to fill in your Form W-8BN for your Dreamstime contributor account. After logging into your Dreamstime account, click on My Account at the top right of the home page. Then, on your dashboard, click Earnings on the left side and select Tax Center from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the section where you choose whether you're registering as an individual or a company. If you registered your account under a business name, choose from the options of companies. Select your company type of these options. Then click Start Questionnaire. Since we're registered as individuals, choose the Individuals option. If you're a U.S. citizen or reside in the United States, select the first option. If you reside in any non-U.S. country, choose the second option. Then click Start Questionnaire. This will take you to the form page, where all of your information has been synced and filled in automatically from your account. If any information is incorrect or you would like to change something, please follow these instructions. Enter your full name here. For the country of citizenship, choose your primary country or, if applicable, your second citizenship. Enter your city along with the ZIP code here. Enter your current residential address and select the country in which you reside. If your mailing address is the same as your residential address, simply enter the same details in the mailing address fields. Otherwise, manually enter your mailing address, including the city with ZIP code, and select the appropriate country. For the U.S., Taxpayer Identification Number field. It's not required if you are not a U.S. citizen or do not live in the United States. If you have a tax ID number from your country, select the Foreign Tax ID checkbox and enter your tax ID number here. Otherwise, don't check any box in this section. If you accidentally select an option, scroll to the bottom of the form, click on I need a different form. Choose your account type again, and then click Start Questionnaire. This will take you back to your form. Now, enter your birth date, starting with the month, then the day, followed by the year. Next, enter your digital signature using your full name. It must match the name on your ID. Final step, choose your ID card. Select your ID card. This could be your passport, driver's license, or any other government-issued ID. The ID document can be in JPEG or PDF format, with a maximum file size of 500 KB. To upload, click on Browse. Select your ID file. Then click Open. Finally, click the Review button. This will take you to the form. In Part 2, Line 9, enter your country of residence in this field. Line 10, this field will be automatically filled. Similarly, this field will include the percentage rate between your country and the U.S. If you change the percentage to 0%, it will be corrected during review. For the Specify Type of Income field, leave it empty, and this field is automatically populated with your type of income based on what you sell on this site, so manually entering anything is not necessary. For the last field, if you are the same person, leave it empty. Finally, click the Submit button to submit your form for review. Once submitted, your form will remain under review and should be approved within a few days. In case any changes are needed, you'll be notified to resubmit your updated information. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on filling out the W-8BN form for our Dreamstime account. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and clear. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. Also, share it with others who might benefit from using Dreamstime or selling their content on the platform. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.